This old guy DIY video has to do with the base plate that I just made for my high lift farm jack. So what I wanted is something that would spread the load. So you can see with the tape measure, I cut 4 pieces of 2x4 that were 12 inches long. And I laid the screws on top here to show you how I screwed these things together. And I used wood glue to also attach it. But when I started building this thing, I just started from the middle, laid these 2 middle pieces together, and you can see the short screws that hold it. Actually, there was a third one over here. But so I have this one that goes through the 2, that one, and that one. So there are 4 screws that hold those middle 2 pieces together. And then I glued one of the outside pieces and just drove that in with 2 3-inch screws. Then I did the other outside piece, drove that in with 2 3-inch screws. So I've got the thing glued and screwed together. And then I took the jack and stood it right here on top of the piece of wood. And I drilled a 3/16 hole, and then I took a long 1/4 inch lag bolt and I drove that thing down until it was tight, and then I just cut it off with the grinder, and then I angled the end and used the same bolt. I had these long bolts, not something that was 2 inches long that would have been perfect. So anyway, I cut a chunk off the end of the bolt, then I put it in a second hole, drove it down there, cut that off, and then I had to use a different bolt for the 3rd hole. But my plan here is I have these 3 bolt studs effectively hanging out. So if I'm in an application where I need to use this block and I don't want the jack to slip, I can set it right over these studs. And if I'm in a different application where I don't need positive location, since this is going in sand, dirt, gravel, whatever, I'll just put it that way. And then I can put the jack any way I want on this side. So, and now I'll take a picture of the jack sitting in place. So this is what it looks like with the jack sitting in place. And then you'll notice I added that black paint. And that's so when you go to put the jack on the base with that black paint, it makes it real easy from an alignment standpoint. So I hope this idea helps you out. Have a great day. As I was walking to put my tools away, I saw these 1/2-inch lag bolts. I thought, hey, I'll put the belt with the suspenders. So I put a lag bolt in from each side, as you see here. And so I countersunk the hole with a 1/inch bit. And then I drilled a 7/16 hole, drove that 6-inch long 1/2-inch diameter lag bolt in there. And I did the same thing on the other side. And you see nothing cracked. So when this thing sets up, everything should be good to go. And I'll have a base for my high lift jack that costs next to nothing. If this idea helped you, please subscribe. Have a nice day.